So, so we can have sprouted dals like this. All of you can see my boxes there that I've kept ready. Now, one of the regulative principles laid by our founder Acharya Srila Prabhupada is that we should avoid eating meat, eggs, onion, and garlic. And as Prabhuji mentioned, that there are certain food items that is dear to Krishna. Krishna doesn't want to eat all these things, right? And he's given us a bounty of nature where nature provides us all these things. So next time when your friends tell you that you need to eat something very rich in protein and eggs very rich in protein, or meats very rich in protein, you can outright say no and tell them this recipe or make them taste this prasadam and tell them this is whole protein. And you can add pomegranate to this to get the iron content, which would again add to your health, right? So do you see the nutritional benefits that we have in this salad? And as we proceed in the session, you will learn how easy it is to make this salad, right? Everybody agrees with me? We are on the same page, so we'll get started. Let's start together by saying the Hare Krishna Maha Mantra. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. May the transcendental vibrations of this Hare Krishna Maha Mantra reflect into our cooking, and we offer this prasad, this bhoga to Krishna with all our hearts and souls, right? And as Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, Hara, can you tell everybody what does Krishna say in Bhagavad Gita?
Patram pushpam phalam toyam yome bhaktya prayachati tadaham bhakti uparitam ashnami prayatatmanaha.
So Krishna says, it's said in the Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says, even a flower, a leaf, or a fruit offered to me with love and devotion is acceptable to Krishna, is very dear to Krishna. So let's put our heart and soul into this recipe today and think that we're cooking for Krishna. And I would like you to recreate this recipe again on Janmashtami and offer with your own little hands to Krishna, your dear Krishna. So let's get started. We'll start with salad dressing first. All of you have lemons with you? We all have lemons with us, right? So you can just squeeze little lemons in a bowl. All of you, can I see? All of you just squeeze those lemons in a bowl. Yes, Arav. Make sure that you don't have the seeds there. You can all take out the seeds. You can use a spoon to take out the seeds like the way Arav is doing here. I'll show you how to take out these seeds. You can just separate out the seeds from the juice. And to this syrup, we'll add little salt. So this is like getting your salad dressing ready. We'll get the salad dressing ready first so that we can mix it in the end and it just nurtures a little here. We have little pepper powder. Then we have little chaat masala. And you can add any spice that you like, whether it's oregano or chili flake, any spice that you like. And you can avoid pepper if you guys are allergic to masala or if you do not like spicy food. Now, variation to this could be, you can add any oil that's there in the home. Like I had this sesame oil. You can add sesame oil. You can add olive oil. That gives good fat to your salad. I mentioned that this salad is very rich in protein, but all of you are growing kids, right? So we need little fat also for your growth, for you to gain good height, good weight, for your good eyes, right? Your good skin, your good hair. And all of us need to be very, very healthy to serve Krishna. We need to eat very healthy food to serve Krishna. All of you are future Prabhupada warriors, right? Can you see how we're whisking this? Mix it, mix, mix, mix. Give it a nice mix, 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 like this, so that everything gets dissolved. See the consistency here? Can you all see the consistency of my bowl? Can you see how it looks like? I hope everything looks like this. Would anyone want to show me how does it look? Have you all got it ready, Nitya? Diksha? Somebody asked me to repeat. Should I repeat? So I'll just repeat because I think some of you missed my instructions. In a bowl, we took some lemon. To the lemon, we added salt, pepper powder, chaat masala. This all is according to your preference, how much spicy you want it to be, right? So little salt, little lemon juice, little pepper powder, little chaat masala. And if you have olive oil, sesame oil, or any other salad oil in the house, like I have this sesame oil at home. Can you see this bottle? I had this toasted sesame oil at home. So I mixed it to the salad. Everything is mixed in a bowl like this, and we'll whisk it together. Whisking is nothing but just getting the ingredients together, folding in everything together. Like this. Fine? Is it fine with everybody? Now we'll move further. Does everybody have some salad? As in cucumber, tomatoes, bell peppers? Now what are cucumber, tomatoes and bell peppers good in? It's good fiber, which is very important for your digestive system, right? Our mom tells us every day to have some fruits and vegetables because it's good fiber. And fiber is very, very good for our digestion. So we have this cucumber here. Do you have the cucumber cut or do you want to cut the cucumber? Can you show me your cucumbers, everybody? Can I see your cucumbers? Like this is Anna's cucumber. Can I see? Oh, wow, Nitya, you already have it cut. Diksha, you have it cut, I see. Sanvi, your cucumber is cut. So I have a whole cucumber also, and I have a diced cucumber also. Do you want me to chop the cucumber? Do you want me to help you chop the cucumber? I see Dhyashi has also got the cucumber chopped. Okay. Okay.
Yes, Mataji, I think they were cutting the cucumber before the session started also. So really, really nice.
Perfect, Mataji. We have these true Vaishnavas and Vaishnavis here. We're going to definitely please Krishna today. Krishna is watching over them. And Krishna is seeing how beautifully these kids are doing. Right, Ara?
Yes, ma'am.
Good job, good job. Very good, very good. And now we can just dice it off. Remember, as Prabhuji said, cleanliness is also very important. You cannot mess the counter. The counter needs to be cleaned. So all the peels go in a side plate, right? And this is done. And I can chop it. Be very careful with your fingers. Little hands, be careful with your fingers. If you cannot chop, you can take help from your parents or your aunties. Right? And we have chopped cucumbers here. Cucumber is everybody's favorite vegetable or fruit, and all of you like carrying it in your tiffin boxes, right? And I have chopped cucumbers here. See this? Very finely chopped cucumbers so that it doesn't hurt your mouth, and we do not want to take away the taste of the beans that we have here, right? In a similar way, can everybody show me your tomatoes? Red tomatoes. I want everybody to have nice red tomatoes. Oh, I see. Everybody's chopped red tomatoes also beforehand. Wow. Mataji, we have some very enthusiastic kids today.
Absolutely.
Very nice. So I need not chop and show this cooked tomatoes. Now I have this red tomatoes, but in grocery stores, you'll see that we have these beautiful salad tomatoes also known as cherry tomatoes, which taste very nice. So you can use that. We need not chop them. We can just put them in the salad as it is. That's going to make your salad very beautiful as well as nutritious. And bell peppers, what are bell peppers rich in? Do you have bell peppers, kids? Do you have bell peppers? If you don't have, no worries. But this is one combination we can have in the salad. Oh yeah, Nitya, you have a bell pepper, I see. Dhyanshi, do you have? Nice. So what are bell peppers rich in? Bell peppers are a very rich source of antioxidants. And antioxidants are very, very good to keep us hydrated. Remember, all of you? It's good to have this combination of bell peppers, cucumber, tomatoes as a salad every day, even if you do not add beans to them. So I have chopped my bell peppers also very nicely, if all of you can see. And I've taken red bell peppers and blue bell peppers, crunchy bell peppers, having a lot of sweet flavor in them. Can everybody see that? Right? So this is all the preparation that's going on for the salad. And as I mentioned, you can add little pomegranate because that is iron, good iron. And iron is very important for your hair. It's very important for your blood purification. Nobody wants a low hemoglobin, right? So all of you need to have pomegranate every day. 2 spoons of pomegranate every day you need to promise today to me. Do all of you make that promise? Can I see your hands up? Can I see a thumbs up from everybody? Everybody's going to have pomegranate from today. 2 spoons of it every day in the breakfast or in the evening snack. Mamas, Mataji's, please make a note that all these kids have promised me that they will have pomegranate every day now. And you can all text me, WhatsApp me, or send me pictures of you having this beautiful pomegranate salad and all the things that I'm telling you. So remember, kids, it's not important for you to have this salad as a whole meal. You can have it in parts. Like I showed you how to use cucumbers, tomatoes, bell peppers, pomegranate as a combination. You can have that without adding the beans or with adding the beans. It might get boring, right? So I'll leave it to all of you to experiment with this recipe by adding or subtracting different stuffs, right? And we have little coriander here and lemon juice we've already added. So let's get started. You can take your mixing bowls. All of you take your mixing bowls. Can I see everybody's mixing bowls? Here's my empty mixing bowl. And let's do a big Hari Bol for our Krishna because we'll get all the beans there. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Now, do you know why did I call this as a 5-bean salad? Can you count the number of beans that I have in this? 1, this is chole, right? Another bean that I have here is rajma. And one of the beans that I have here is horse gram. Can you see? Also known as black chana. You must have read it in your science chapters, right? They all come under legumes. We have rajma, soaked and boiled. We have chole, right? 3. Then I have these sprouted moons, which are not boiled. I did not want to lose the nutritional value of these. I've just soaked them overnight and drained them in the morning. They are not boiled. Remember, it's good to have certain fruits and vegetables raw. And moong dal can be consumed raw when soaked properly. This is like the highest source of protein. You can always grind it, have it as a chila, which is also a very good breakfast option for you kids or a snack option for you. And then I have some boiled peanuts, which I know everybody loves. So from today on, everybody's having boiled peanuts. Nobody is trying their peanuts from today. Right, Mataji? Everybody is going to have boiled peanuts from today. Can we add? We'll add the peanuts in the last.
Oh, wonderful.
So can I see everybody's bowls? Has everybody added all the legumes like I have done? Can I see your bowls, kids? Nitya, I can see yours. Diksha, I can see yours. Upasna, yes. Very good, Lekhana. Divyanshi, good job. Sanvi, very good. I see beautiful beans in Sanvi's bowl. Saisha, nice. Oh, I see beautiful pomegranate seeds in Jatin's bowl. Very good, Jatin. Yes, and you've mixed them nicely. Abhinav is running ahead of us. Abhinav is already mixing his beans. Abhinav, are you now hurry to offer it to Krishna? Shrestha, good job. You're mixing them well. Very good, Shrestha. Sasha, good job, baby. And I see Uttara doing it very well. I see Nidhi doing it very well. Nidhi's son, I feel. Gagana is doing it well. Hari bol to all of you. Chaitanya, very good. Shraddha, good job, baby. Rishi, wow. Radhika, beautiful beans that you have there. Very nice. A big Hari bol to all the kids out there. Hari bol. You're all ahead of me, it seems. I'm lagging behind. So to the beans, I'll add this chopped cucumber that I have here. See the chopped cucumber? Let's add it. Ara, can you add it for them? And let's keep chanting the Hare Krishna Mahamantra while we are doing this so that a consciousness flows in the salad and the food that we are cooking. Prabhuji rightly mentioned in the starting, it's a consciousness that would reflect in the bhoga that we're making for Krishna. Mix your tomatoes into the salad, kids. Yeah, tomatoes go in. And you can add your bell peppers. Hold on to the pomegranate seeds, not now. We'll add pomegranate seeds in the last. Good job, good job. Can you all mix it? Can you all mix it nicely? Can I see everybody's salad bowls? Mix it nicely so that it looks as one thing, not like your vegetables are like separate and your beans are like separate. It should be a good colorful bowl of vegetables and legumes here. Is it all mixed for everybody? Take your time, kids. Take your time. Mix it well. Very good. Very good, my budding stars. Darsha, you're doing it very well, Baba. Samaira, good job. Very good, all of you. Now, since we've already made the salad dressing, we'll mix the salad dressing. We need not mix the salt, pepper, or the chaat masala or the lemon separately. Right? Can we pour in your salad dressing that we made in the starting? The lemon juice and all the masalas there. Just pour it into your salad. Pour it into your salad. Somebody has a question. Chandan, I see that you want to repeat everything again. But since we're running out of time, I'll repeat the whole recipe in the last ones. Let us all be in sync right now. Finish the recipe once. Get the bhoga ready. And then we'll revise the recipe in the last. Just follow from where I am right now. We've done nothing but we've just mixed the beans and we've mixed the salad to it into your bowls and poured in the salad dressing over there. So once the salad dressing is poured, we'll mix it well so that the salt incorporates well into your salad. Can you all do that well? And toss it nicely. You can do like this if you want, like the way I'm doing. If your bowl is big again. Perfect. We've done that. Now we'll add our peanuts. I did not want peanuts to be coated with a lot of salt because they're already a little salty. So we'll add them in the last now. You can add as many peanuts as you want because boiled peanuts are always healthy. I'll not advise you to have fried peanuts, but boiled peanuts are always healthy, kids. Let's mix it all well. Can you show me how do your salads look? Mine looks like this right now. Doesn't it look beautiful with so many colors? We have brown color, then we have white, we have green, we have red, and we have blue. Such beautiful colors here. And this is done. I think so I forgot to get a bowl to plate it. So I'll get a bowl to plate it. While cooking, always keep a tissue paper handy to wipe your hands, to wipe your utensils, so that you ensure that it's all clean and hygienic. We need to be very, very careful in today's times. As it is, you need to be careful, but today's times call for more cleanliness and being careful, right, in terms of hygiene. You can all pour in your salads here. You can pour in the salad in the bowl. See how beautiful the salad bowl is looking with all those colors, right? That's it. And I'll tell you how to plate it. So it's very important, kids, that you cook something, but it's very important to present it very nicely. Only that will please Krishna, right? So once you've transferred it to a bowl like this, on the top, I'll add little coriander leaves, chopped beautiful coriander leaves. Yes, just sprinkle it on top. Just sprinkle it on top. Now, if you're fond of oregano or chili flakes, you can always do that also. Once we have poured in the top, sprinkle the chopped coriander, these beautiful pomegranate seeds. Everybody has those? Just sprinkle them on the top to give it that extra color and the shine to your salad. And how does the salad look? See my beautiful salad here. See this big healthy bowl of salad. And everybody's taking it into your tiffin boxes to share it with your friends and tell them that you did it yourselves.
Jai, amazing, Mataji.
Amazing, right? And now it's time to offer the bhoga to Krishna. Time to offer bhoga to Krishna. I cannot have this prasadam, this bhoga lesson until I offer to Krishna. So this is beautiful Krishna plate that I have. All of you should have separate utensils to serve Krishna. You cannot serve Krishna in the utensils that you eat, right? Like all of you have your favorite plates or bowls at home. Krishna also has his own favorite bowl, right? I'll put some for Krishna in this bowl because my Krishna needs to have it first. And as all of you need water, I'll put little water for Krishna. And can we offer bhoga to Krishna without a tulsi leaf? We cannot do that. So I'll add a tulsi leaf to Krishna's bhoga. See my beautiful bhoga plate here. Can you all see that? Can you all see that? Now let's take it in front of Krishna. Let's all take it. Does everybody have a tulsi leaf and a bowl for Krishna? Or do you want to go and get it? I'll give you some time for that. Go, run. Get some tulsi leaves for Krishna's bhoga. Get some tulsi leaves for Krishna's bhoga, all the kids. And some nice, beautiful plate for Krishna's bhoga. A neat new plate for Krishna's bhoga if you have one at your homes. See a beautiful Krishna there? And I do not want anybody to put drishti to my Krishna's bhoga. So I'll nicely cover it with a neat handkerchief here. Right? This is how we need to offer bhoga to Krishna all the time. You prepare something. You need to put it into clean utensils for Krishna. You need to put a tulsi leaf because Krishna will not accept bhoga if we do not offer a tulsi leaf. Is everybody back? I see Nitya's got two beautiful tulsi leaves. Jay, Nitya, very good. And where's everybody else? Are we ready to offer bhoga to Krishna? So do you all know the bhoga mantras? Do you all know the bhoga mantras? Come on, you can all recite with me.
Namo Vishnupada Krishna.
Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Prasthaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swamine Iti Namine Namaste
Saraswati Devi Gauravani
Pracharane Nirvishesha Shunyavati Pashakya Desha Tarine
Namo Mahavadanyaya Krishna Prema Pradayate Krishnaya Krishna Chaitanya Namne Gauri Tushe Namah Namo Brahmaya Devaya Nitaya Chaja Jagaditaya Krishnaya Govindaya Namo Namaha
Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shri Vasadi Gaur Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. So all of you will repeat it 3 times now. We've done it once, and similarly we need to do it 2 more times again, right? But in the benefit of time, Mataji, can we do it 2 more times?
Yes, yes, Mataji. Sure. Please go ahead.
Or both? Yeah.
Namo
Vishnupadaya
Krishna Prasthaya Bhutale Srimatir Bhakti Vedanta Swamine Iti Namine Namaste Saraswati Devi Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Pashata Desha Tarine
Namo Mahavadanyaya Krishna Prema Pradayate Krishna Chaitanya namne gaure tvishe namah. Namo brahmaya devaya go brahmahitaya Gadadhitaya Krishnaya Govindaya Namo Namah.
Namo
Vishnu Padaya
Krishna
Prestaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swamine Iti Namine Namaste Saraswate Devi Gauravani Pracharini Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Pashata Desha Tarini
Namo Maharajana Krishna Prema Pradayate Krishnaya Krishna Chaitanya Namne Gaura Tvishe Namah. Namo Brahmaya Devaya Go Brahmahitaya Gadadhitaya Krishnaya Govindaya Namo Namah.
Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shri Vasadi Gaur Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare
Hare Krishna
Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. So everybody's got, how do we offer the bhoga that we make for Krishna? All of you will do that. Anytime you're cooking for Krishna, we need to offer it to Krishna, right? So then March me, I want everybody to try this recipe and send me pictures of it, right? Now, Mataji will pick up the bhoga from Krishna's. And all of
Such
you
an
can-
elaborate way, Mataji. Thank you for explaining, and I've put all the bhoga mantras in the chat.
Hari
Oh,
Hari Bol.
and
We
children,
can mix the bhoga now to the bowl that we had. And now this is prasadam for all of us to honor. The more you share it with everybody, the more prasadam you're distributing. So please make sure that you make enough quantities to share with your aunties, uncles, neighbors, your friends, everybody. Right? Any doubts, anybody now? Did all of you enjoy the recipe? I want to see hands up. Who's going to try this recipe now? Let's see who all is going to try the recipes. Let's raise our hands up. I see. Oh my God, so many hands up now. Very good. Hari Hari Bol to all of you. I hope all of you enjoyed it. Right? Mataji, we have some very, very interesting Vaishnavas and Vaishnavis here.
amazing, amazing, Mataji. Your fireless cooking has really helped and actually instilled this interest of cooking in children.
And
So-
Mataji, now all these kids, they promise me that they'll eat salad every day, they'll eat pomegranate every day, and their moms can complain it to me if they're not doing it.
Thank you, Mataji. Thank you for that wonderful bit of nutrition also. When they understand what is the nutrition, they will cook better also and eat it. Okay, so if Mataji, if you're done, we can go to the breakout rooms and
Sure,
it will
Mataji.
be each one's presentation. So children, requesting all of you to keep your area neat and clean where you have prepared your salad, and we will see the neatness and how you have actually plated your, how colorful your bowl looks. Okay, so requesting Shweta Mataji to create the breakout rooms. You will be sent into different rooms and different Matajis and volunteers, judges will come by, and we will have Khushbu Mataji coming in all the rooms and checking it out. Okay, Haribol. So be ready. We'll give you a minute to be ready. Clean up everything around. Throw all the peels of cucumber and make it nice and neat. Thank you, Haribol.
Menka Mataji, I have visited room 1 and room 3. So, how do I visit other room?
Haribol Khushbu Mataji, were you able to hop across the rooms?
Mataji, been able to visit room 1 and room 3, but I'm not sure if I was able to visit other rooms.
Which room have you been, Mataji?
Mataji, I've been to room 1 and I've been to room 3.
Okay, can I put you to room 2? I'll just move you to room 2.
So, Mataji. So, Mataji, been to room 1, room 2, room 3. Are there any other rooms left?
No, Mataji, that's it.
Hari Bol, Mataji, all the kids have done beautiful. It's a very tough competition now for you to decide who's done the best.
True, true.
But indeed, Krishna is very happy to see how these little kids have put in their hands together to get this offering to Krishna.
True, Mataji, so true. So we'll wait for another few minutes for everyone to come back to the main session.
Sure, Mataji.
Okay, we have come back to the main room. We'll wait for others to join us. I hope in all the 3 rooms there were Matajis who could see the work of the children. I think Ashwini Mataji was there, yes, and Naina Mataji and I were together. Who else was there in room?
I was there, Mataji, in room 3, and it
that's
was a really tough deciding. All of them have done well, really well.
Yes, thank you very much, Mataji. You have been with us through all the sessions. Thank you very much. So you know who are regular students. And
Yes, Mataji, by now.
Okay, so Khushbu Mataji, I guess, has visited all the rooms, and we'll wait for her to come back, and we'll thank Mataji.
I'm here, Mataji, and I'm like so delighted to see what all these kids have done.
Okay, wonderful, wonderful, Mataji. So thank you very much, children. It was nutritious recipe without any danger of fire. You just have to be careful of, cutting your hands with a sharp knife. And also that it was nutritious. You can have it every single day and, increase your memory, as Prabhuji said. And as Mataji said, increase your immunity also. So thank you very much for joining. We will be announcing the results soon. Please don't leave the WhatsApp group, and we will soon get back to you with the results of the 5 days workshops. Right? So let's chant for Khushbu Mataji. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Thank you very much. Hari Bol.